So I ran over the engagement cable, stretched it out, and the other last video I shot, you could see the pulley moving even though it wasn't engaged, so I stretched it so far that it engages, so I'm going to have to replace that. And it's not too hard. This is the best I can do for setting up. Just grab this tension spring and release it. You'll get a washer, and then the spring kind of acts like a cotter pin and holds it, holds the washer against this. This just pops out, and then you have I think there's some kind of pulled it even more. Oh, it's got two sides have a little clamp that you gotta press in. Comes out of there. Should have positioned this tractor a little better before I started this. So it just sits there, goes underneath the step. Oh, not much room over on the side. Weird bolt to be down here. And it just runs along. And I get it zip tied. And let's get some light on the situation here. You can see that's where I stretched it. And then it goes to your implement that you want to engage. So you just unplug it from your implement, and I will move things around and show you how to hook it up. So now that we're outside, you just I ran it over again, moving it out. I gotta stop doing that. I brought the wrong tool. And I'm gonna be changing the drive belt out on this, so I'm going to need to remove this whole thing. And I'm going to be changing all the belts, actually. But let's get that out of the way here. This is why I so desperately need a garage. I hate doing this stuff in the winter. Sitting in a snowbank. Sorry if you can't see, but I think I damaged this in some way.
But it doesn't really matter because it's going to the scrap pile as soon as I get it out. Oh, it's being really stubborn. There we go. Yeah, it's best just to take this right off. And I just have to go take it off the other side. Don't forget to take the belt off first. Sorry about the angle, but there, cable is released. I'll go get the new one.
High quality, because focus so professional. And at least they gave you 2 zip size. So we'll start back up at the top. Push that into there. And you gotta get your little circle thing. Goes on that little silver thing hanging to the right, which actually moves up and down if you don't hold it from the top. So it's
kind of hard to do with one hand, so hopefully you'll stay there. There, we get that. And take the washer. Which isn't gonna stay. I'm gonna need to do this two-handed and probably block the view. View more out of the way. Probably completely blocking the way here. And I went to start the tractor because I disengaged this. It wouldn't start because it wasn't hitting the safety properly. And I can see this is going to be a real pain. I can't even see the end of the spring. Oh man. I'm just going to hook it onto this side first. We'll try that way. I can even do that. Holy jeez. There we go. There. All hooked up now. Come down here. And you can see that's why I'm constantly running over it. And kind of go behind those two wires there. Throttle cable and the breather. Oh, I'm behind the throttle cable anyway. And then over top of the brake pedal, obviously. Brought something to cut that twist tie, but Obviously I broke it when I ran over it. So now that it's there, this little thing is where it's supposed to go into, but I believe it's, well, it's not broke, but I don't find these things very good at holding cables. But we will put it in there. And I gotta find a place for this. I'm not using it. I think it's in the manual. It says there's a place to hook it onto, but I'm just not seeing it. Guess I could go through there. And yeah, that's how you hook it up. So we'll see how good this works. When we get the snowblower on. So like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one. And here you go. Rooted down through there. On the other side of the throttle cable. And they're pretty simple to change. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one.